Okay, so today we're going to take a look at Cedar Grove Compost. It's a local company around here. They're having a sale, so I picked some up. I've used it before, and it's been pretty nice. They say it's made out of, where's that? Let's see here. From food scraps and yard waste. Diverted from landfill. Let's take a look. Open this bag up. Look how nice that is. That's the Cedar Grove compost. Very rich, organic. Smells nice. Does have a little bit of wood in there, but it's got some yard waste, but it's not anything like I've had. Look how well that holds together. Look at that. That's really nice. Wow. I've had very, very woody composts in the past from other store brands and stuff. Open this up. Look at that. Now they're having a sale. It's and I'm not sponsored by these guys. They're selling it for 2 bags and get one free, which works out to $4 a bag. Look at that. That is really nice. How rich that is. How well that holds together. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's probably some of the best bagged compost I've ever found. Look at that. Wow, I'm impressed. I am impressed. That'll certainly perk this bed up, and it needed it too. Now, I always like to dig a little bit in. I know a lot of you guys are, no, don't do that. But I don't see what it hurts. At least not in a pot. These are basically just giant pots. And I kind of want to get some of that down so that when the roots get down deep, they actually get into some good stuff. And not all the used up spent soil. Yeah. It is a little bit pricier than maybe a few, even at $4 a bag. You can go get, you can buy your compost from Walmart for like $2.50. But it's real woody. And it's just not all that nice. There's a fava bean. Look at that. Wow, this is really nice stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. That bed is, I always put a little fertilizer when I actually put the tomatoes in it. This bed is ready to rock. Wow. Nice, fluffy, beautiful, full of organic matter. Oh, God, this is just, yeah. Yeah, if you're going to buy bagged compost and you're in the north of Seattle, man, this is probably some of the better stuff you're going to find, especially for bagged compost. Homemade's always better, and I got my compost bins chugging away at making my own. But this is about as good as it's going to get.